Oh, alrighty guys, what's going on? It's Seth from 252. What's going on? Bro! What's going on, everybody? It's Seth from 252 Squad back with my friend.
Yo, what's up? It's Christian. I drive the IS that you've been seeing the past however many videos. I'm now a part of his channel. Instead of me making a totally separate channel, I'm gonna be a part of this, and there's gonna be a lot more to come for this YouTube video. Trust me, you're gonna want to keep watching. The next few videos are gonna be probably very insane. You better wait 5 months, bro.
We're gonna go ahead and disclose something right quick. There's another project car coming to the channel. We don't know how long it's gonna be before we like reveal it or anything like that. It will probably be like 2 months before we actually reveal it, like go ahead and say what it is to build a little bit of hype. But right now, we're shopping around, so you just smacked a bug. But today, what we're gonna be doing is, if you saw in the last episode, we're taking these $200 rims and trying to sell them. And now that we've came up to what an end goal of these are gonna be, we're gonna use the money off these to help afford this next project car and like parts of the project car. So I'm gonna let Christian tell you what we're pretty much gonna be doing today, which is probably like part 2 out of 3 for the series. So
yes.
Just go ahead and...
Okay, so all we're doing right now is we're finishing up this is the end goal of the rim. You can probably see it. Black on the outside. There's a bunch of trash, but we're gonna sand that out and probably try and buff it if we can find some buffing materials. But we're gonna finish up the priming and then paint and then remove to the other side. And by the end of the video, we should show you how we're going to put them up for sale, what we're gonna say for the price, and yeah, like he said before, these rims are gonna be, the money we get from these rims are gonna be for the upgrades to the new car. We're both working full-time jobs to afford this since YouTube doesn't want to monetize this yet. Yeah.
And in fact, I'm working 2 jobs. He's planning on getting 2 jobs. So
yeah.
If you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, because right now we're working like crazy to bring you content. So
12-hour days.
Yeah.
12-hour days.
Yeah, like 2 days this week I work like, I kid you not, like 14 hours worth of work. So
yeah. I'm now full-time at Dodge, so yeah. So please hit that like and subscribe. Help us out with this algorithm because we really want to get up there somehow. Our videos may not be what you want to see, but put a comment down in the comment section to see what you want, and we read all the comments. Literally, whenever I get that notification, I scroll down and I like and I respond to every single comment. So if you want to ask me something, and plus, like we said in like what, 2-3 videos ago, we really want to do a Q&A. So please ask a question. It could be like, what's your favorite thing to do? Like, what's your favorite food? What do you plan on doing with your car? What's the next car? Which I'm not going to tell you, but it's still a question we can answer. But yeah, so let's get on and get down with this video. Alright.
So this right here is a rim from the last video. It was actually part of the ending. I don't think you actually got to see it, but we primered this one. And if you can see around the lip here, there's a little bit of peeling from where it sat. Like, we had to put this one outdoors where his dad didn't want us to continue like painting it in like his driveway. So we had to move it outdoors, and where it got outdoors, like certain things like got all into here. That way that it got dirt in it. And so now I'm going to take this microfiber towel and wipe it down and probably re-sand it. That way we can go ahead and repaint it or re-primer it and then paint it. This man just sprayed me with his water hose while I'm trying to record that. Sprayed all of my butt crack, and now my butt's wet. So right now Christian's getting ready to re-sand it. He's gonna wet sand it. So he's just using a water hose right now to just spray it down a little bit. And then he's gonna go back through and sand it, because if you can see where I've already wiped with the microfiber towel, most of the paint has come off, or the primer. So we're gonna go ahead and just re-sand it, so that way it doesn't peel anyways.
We're gonna use a high grit.
And while he's doing that, I'm planning on glossing this rim. So going ahead and glossing it, and then flipping it over, taping it up, and we're gonna paint the insides. If I can get to it. The inside there where it's silver, probably repaint it, because some areas like this. So we're probably gonna repaint them white on the inside, white and black. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and gloss the back side and then go to repainting this side. all these little baby birds up here will not be quiet. But I hope y'all like baby birds. Christian really grinded away at sanding this rim down. So if you can see where like stickers and stuff used to be on the inside from the manufacturer, but he really like, I mean, this thing is like baby smooth. Like this thing is really freaking smooth. Like, I mean, he's redone the entire thing, sanded it down after the primer, and made it almost like perfect. And if you see, as I come over to here, I've been working on this one.
Dude, it looks
and
so good.
That's what it used to look like. That right there. The Christian look.
Yeah, that's good right now.
It used to look like that, brake dust and black paint. And now it's sanded down almost to bare metal. We're gonna take a lighter grit sandpaper. I didn't want to keep using this heavy grit because this is what it was looking like around here. So we'll probably just take a lighter grit and try to like sand all that down. But
you can always use a heavier grit than lighter grit.
But yeah, so this one we're gonna go ahead and primer another coat, paint it. That one over there, I already it's been painted and now it's been cleared. So now we gotta flip it over and do the front side. But now we're gonna go ahead and get into drying this one off so we can go ahead and paint it. So Christian is applying the second layer of primer to this rim. And as you can see, like, I mean, the quality that he's laying it up here is actually really, really well. So I'm really proud of this man. He knows how to paint, and this is like his really, like, I guess first time painting something like this. So, but he's not doing bad. Like, it looks really, really good.
When you spend your whole night watching Goon Squad and watch them how they paint, how they sand, you tend to pick up how they do it.
So this one's almost done. I've got most of it sanded down. I just got to redo the front side. This one is still in the same state of being trashy and terrible. This one is looking really, really good. There's not a whole lot. I mean, if you look there, it looks like a little runny, but that's where it's still drying. And then this one was terrible. Like, if you look at it, it's quite bad. But you can already see where I'm starting to re-sand it down, like all the rough spots and stuff. Like that right there. I'm working on that, and that's kind of right there is what it used to look like. But you see how orange peely it is and all that. I'm gonna re-sand this whole thing and probably repaint it to try to get it to look like that one. I'll probably let Christian repaint because Christian's better at painting than I am. So we took a break from this because I have to leave. So he's making a quesadilla with cheese while he's on FaceTime. Say hi, person.
Hi.
You'll be in the video. So that's gonna be all for this part of the video. Next part we'll probably actually do like just show like painting and then the selling process of the video, because he's putting like 4 pieces of cheese on a quesadilla. But anyways, this girl's getting drunk and he's having fun. So y'all have a great day. Click the subscribe button to her turning down a bottle of whiskey or something.
Now turn up.